So here it is, Unc0Ver 12.4 A12 jailbreak. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about what's going on with the A12 jailbreak. Heading over to uncover.dev, you can actually download the Unc0Ver jailbreak. This will work for all iDevices, A12 and below. Unc0Ver jailbreak was released today. As I'm filming this, I'm probably going to be posting this probably tomorrow, or you guys are going to be checking this out tomorrow. This has been an amazing week so far within Apple, if you want to count Sunday being last week. So with the release of the new iPhones, with the release of the new jailbreak, we're getting Mario Kart Tour this week. So much is going on within Apple and just within the jailbreak scene. This is insane. So we have an official iOS 12.4 jailbreak for A12 devices. That's your XR, XS, XS Max, your iPad Pros, your 2018 and 2019 iPads that have the A12 chip in there. Once you download the actual application from uncover.dev, you can go ahead and navigate into the application and hit the jailbreak button immediately. Now, if you got problems or if there is a hang up when you do try to install the jailbreak and when you do try to initiate the jailbreak, you may have to do a couple of things on your phone. I noticed that for every time that my jailbreak started to initiate, it would only stay on this 1%. And for a while, I couldn't figure out, I'm like, what's going on? Am I not doing this correctly? And lo and behold, ended up finding out that turning on airplane mode and then killing the first of all killing the apps in the app switcher first and foremost, navigating over into settings. Let's go ahead and scroll all the way down. Clearing off Safari history and data, clearing out all that cache, making sure that your device is clean that way. Then going into the top page and turning on airplane mode. That's what did it for me. I'm not sure if that's going to be the same issue or the same problem with everybody else and it's going to be the same fix or the workaround, but for me, turning on airplane mode, making sure that my OTA update, so when your iOS device wants to download 12.4.1, it will save the actual over-the-air file in your storage, in your iPhone storage. So make sure that you navigate into settings, manage your storage settings, and make sure that you delete that OTA update. Then turning on airplane mode, that will allow the whole process to initiate, as you can see here. And mind you, this application you can download for free from uncovered.dev. The link will be in the description down below, so make sure you guys do check that out. This is a momentous occasion for just the entire masses. And you know what, for Unc0Ver to be trending on Twitter was just even more amazing at the time. So now that our device is resprung, you can see that we have Cydia now on our device, ready to go, ready to launch up. Oh man, I got to make sure that I turn on all my, make sure that when you do navigate back into your phone after it rebooting, make sure that you do turn off airplane mode. Navigate back into Cydia because it's all web-based, of course. And then make sure that you do hit that changes button. Now, I like to wait for mine to reload the data. It will bring up temporary files or files that you will need to make sure that you upgrade. I always do complete upgrade unless there is news from the team saying, hey, don't do this. Make sure that you upgrade this, not this. There have been issues like that in the past. So if there are any sort of issues with upgrading, I'll make sure to put those things in a new video just to inform you guys, hey, don't upgrade this. Make sure you upgrade these instead. The devs are working on it. And make sure you guys do support the devs. Panda owned, the whole Unc0Ver team, they have their own Twitter page and their own PayPal. Follow them, support, because none of this is possible without their help. It is just an amazing service that they do for free out of their own willingness, out of their own spare time. So make sure that you guys do support them. So here it is, fully jailbroken iOS 12.4 on an iPhone XR. I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace. We'll be right back.